Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add font to CapCut. So let's get started. Here I have created a project in CapCut and we're going to practice how we can add font. Okay, the first thing we should do is click on the text option right here. Then we can click on add text, and if we want to add font to our CapCut, we can click on this add font option, guys, right here. Just click on it, then you can click on this plus button, then just click on upload file and make sure that you have downloaded a font from the internet. Then you can add the font to your CapCut. So this is the font that I have just downloaded, and I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and right after we tap on the font will be added to our project or CapCut project. And this is the font, guys. So if you want to use it, you can just tap on the font like this. Okay, and I'm just going to enter text right here, and for example I'm going to type project. Okay, and just click on this check mark button after we are done. Alright guys, and that's how we can add font to CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.